Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting access. Create an account and generate an API token so you can push and pull models. Once done, install the Python packages transformers and datasets plus GitLFS. These let you manage large model files. Next, log in locally with Hugging Face CLI login or export HF token as an environment variable so scripts work without prompts. Start a model repo on the site and clone it. This immediate repo gives you a place to push weights and configuration as you progress. You now pick a model and prepare data. Choose a pre-trained checkpoint that fits your task and compute budget because larger models cost more to fine-tune. Load Auto Tokenizer and the matching auto model class. Tokenization must use padding and truncation parameters to keep sequence lengths consistent. Once tokenized, create train/validation splits, wrap data in a data loader or Hugging Face dataset. Then configure training arguments, learning rate, batch size, epochs, and use trainer or a custom loop to start training while saving checkpoints regularly. You finish by validating and deploying. Run inference on held-out examples to confirm performance, then push your model files and model card to the Hugging Face repo so others can use them. For serving, choose the inference API for quick access or create a space for an interactive demo. Make sure to set repository visibility and permissions. If something goes wrong, check the API token and model/tokenizer pairing. Reduce batch size or enable gradient accumulation to avoid OOMs, and inspect logs for specific exceptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.